We are under construction here. That's gonna be changed. This whole wall's gonna be changed.
That's all gonna be changed. Excited.
Good morning, guys!
Morning!
Today we're gonna do something pretty cool to this wall over here.
And this wall.
And this wall,
and all
hopefully.
The paint. You guys, we're headed to Home Depot. We've got to pick out some paint colors, some wood. We got lots to do. We're starting the home redecorating mini renovation.
Right now.
Right now.
I don't have
we're
work
so
today,
excited.
so I'm super excited we can do this. Can you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
A haircut. All right, guys, we've made it to the Park City Outlets. We're gonna go World Market, then Michael's, then TJ Maxx, just to try to look for some decor type stuff. Then we're gonna head to Home Depot later and get some wood and paint and all the good things. So, Ko, you excited?
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, I did.
I don't know how you do 5 kids alone, babe.
It's hard. That's why it doesn't happen often.
During the week is hard. Ooh, carpets. Ooh, that one is good looking. Some placemat.
I love this color.
Ooh,
I like this one. Let's keep it.
I like this aisle.
Apple.
Oh,
Look at that.
cool, huh?
You guys can carry that? Sis, do you like it?
Good work, guys. Good work. You're so strong.
We're getting tired.
We're walking it all the way home. Can you do that? Like a glove.
Dang it. Oh my goodness. Well, let's hope that we figure this out. This is what we're looking like right now. Hi, Coda.
Hi.
Everyone is safely in their seatbelts, but we've got a giant bench, tufted bench. Cody had to scoot his chair away from
Dang it.
Honey, is that even safe?
It's totally safe. I just am like an old grandma.
Okay. We might need to take stuff home before we buy more things.
All right, last stop of the day. Home Depot, just had some McDonald's, and this is where we're gonna get most of our wood and paint and stuff. You ready?
Yeah.
We had a boy fall asleep. I think we got everything we needed, Cars, right? They even gave the kids free, like, build your own something kits. So nice. We got 3 carts coming out here. I still don't think we got everything. Come on through. Oh yeah.
And our new light made it. Cody, are you excited? Is the sun bright? Oh my, this weather is beautiful. It feels amazing. We made it home, guys. That was a long trip. Oh yeah, muscle man.
We got lots of stuff.
We did. So when we were at TJ Maxx, the kids bought a new poop scooper for Pepper. You guys, I'm not joking when I say my kids were literally fighting over who gets to clean up poop. They're over there, scooping poop. How's it going, Cars? Good, good work, guys. We're giving this boy a little more trust and freedom without his leash, just right here in our yard, and he's doing good. He's just relaxing and hanging out. He's not bolting or running off.
Let me tell you something.
What, sis?
One when we come back to the house, we saw the package.
It's our new light for the dining room. Is that cool?
All right, we are under construction here. Pepper, you gonna help? Yeah. We've moved the table, this wall. Gonna look good, babe.
We got so much to do and I'm excited.
We got that's gonna be changed. This whole wall's gonna be changed.
We're taking those down. This is gonna be changed. That's all gonna be changed. Yeah. Excited.
I love you.
Whoa, Pet. This is so pretty.
Nice. We got a carpet.
I gotta center it and all.
Fits perfect.
Sis, this is so pretty.
Pepper, come on.
Come on, Pet.
Nice. Hopefully the corners don't pop up and slide. We might need to get that thing.
We will throw that in the garbage. Thanks, sis. They have like rug tape or like tacky stuff you can put on the corners to. I bet Amazon has that.
I'm
Like
sure I have that in my work. Looking good.
That looks beautiful. I love it.
While we're building, these guys are building their little ATM machines we got from Home Depot that they gave us. Pretty awesome. They learned how to hammer and screw and follow instructions. Good work, man. Coming along well.
Look at this dude. Look at it.
Whoa.
Look at it, look at it. That's awesome.
Look at it. Look at it.
Canyon hammered and screwed every screw in that thing.
Look.
Carson's almost done here.
It's a piggy bank.
Pretty
Yeah,
awesome.
Yeah, that's about the exact color I want to use. I don't have a key part.
Alright.
Just the bottom.
Babe, you ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Ooh, I hope that dries darker.
No regrets.
It's like teal.
Yeah.
No, I love it. It'll dry like the car. That is a bold color. It's kind of stressing me out a little bit. I love it.
I'm gonna paint.
Okay, Carson, I need you to paint around the outlets.
Try to make it nice and smooth. Yeah, Kent, you're gonna like it. I think so too. Oh, okay. Bye, I love you. Say hey. I'll come tomorrow to see it. Okay.
Good.
I love you. Love you guys. Ooh, look at that sky. So pretty. Okay, love you guys.
Oh, Cohen, the flip are you doing?
Yeah, so much anxiety.
He just dipped his sucker in the paint. Sorry, Cokes. Joey.
Here's the prettiest house I have. What? Okay, come out and leave Pepper in there.
Hey, babe. I love you.
Love your Pepper.
It's still there.
You should do a love the journey symbol over there, babe.
When I paint, I feel like I'm doing wrong stuff. Dad, let's leave it like the journey.
Leave it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No. Leave it like the journey.
Leave it like the journey.
I think now. Now. Because it doesn't look like the other house.
It's definitely blue, babe. Woo.
Okay, but like sitting right here, this view, it doesn't even feel like our house. I love
Yeah, it's crazy.
it. It's like so new feeling.
I like it. Probably need one more coat, get it a little bit darker, but
Definitely.
nuts.
All right, you guys, we are almost done with the wall. It looks amazing, and I have to say, now that it is drying and it is more its true color, I like it a lot better. What do you think, Coda?
It looks like a different house.
It looks like a totally different house. Like completely different house. But I absolutely love it. But tonight, you guys, is Friday, which means what? What is it, Coe? Friday night. Pizza night. We're cooking up some pizzas. Gonna turn on a fun show. Keep working out here, you guys. I am so happy with today. I got to spend so much time with my family. We are making our home more beautiful and just feel more like it's us, and I'm loving it. Oh yeah, cars. Pizza night. We're getting messy. Sis, do you love pizza night? You guys, our house is in shambles over here, but it looks so good.
All right, guys, this guy is gonna go next. It should be super easy. It's just gonna be like that, and it's done. Look at that with the wall. What do you think, babe?
I love it.
Need some light bulbs in there, and we are good to go.
You guys, and we initially wanted to get a new table for the entryway, but when we put the bench there under the window, it's beautiful, it's perfect, I love it, and it has
It kind of makes a space.
those black X's exactly like this, like it ties it all together.
Yeah, you can't really see those with the dark. There we go. I think I'm just gonna keep going. This door, I'm gonna paint it because I just never really loved the color, and I think it'll really tie in the two rooms. So we're gonna paint it.
For the night. One afternoon.
One day we did it all.
Paint on one wall, a new light fixture, a rug and a bench.
I'm happy.
It looks so good.
Well, guys, look at that. What?
It feels like a new house.
It feels so good to have some new paint, new door. Turned out awesome.
Like, I just can't get over how easy, like, the simplest thing makes the biggest difference. And I'm kind of upset we didn't do it sooner, but also I told Cody, I feel like this way we actually got to think things through and didn't just like jump the gun.
Yeah.
But the good thing
We
is
knew what
you
we
can always
wanted.
change it, you
Yeah.
know?
This rug looks awesome. It kind of softened that whole space up.
And the bench there.
And the bench.
It
Love
looks
how it's
great.
going.
Looks so good.
Still got a few things more to do, but
It's late, guys.
you like it?
My name's Jeff.
He's tired.
Coda just keeps saying, this looks amazing.
Amazing. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.
Please, guys, we love you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Coe, don't touch poop. Dang, guys. Is this even our house?